Hello everyone. Today we are making another fun video where we will hack StepSetGo application using a servo motor. I have previously made a video when I have shown how the servo motor works. Now I'm using that same servo motor to make a hack of StepSetGo. Now this can be used for any working applications. There are many other working applications like Thunderpod also. So we can use the same thing for those applications. Now we need a few things for making this project actually, and we will show that in the further video. So let's get started. So we need a cardboard. Now as you can see on the screen, I have already made my cardboard. I have cut the cardboard from the two sides so that we can fit our smartphone here, and there is a hole at the center of the cardboard, and we will fix the servo motor there. Okay, fold the cardboard properly like this and it will make a stand. Okay, now we'll take our servo motor. Now the servo motor is fixed using a both side tape in a paper stand to make it weighty, as the weight of your phone is greater than the servo motor. The servo motor will get disbalanced if you use your mobile phone over it. So we have used a paper weight to make it heavy. Now we'll insert the servo motor in the hole that we have made in the cardboard. Okay, now you can see the servo motor is coming out. The handle of the servo motor is fitted at the center, and now we'll just take our smartphone and insert it in the cardboard hole that we have made. Okay, cut it properly according to the size of the smartphone. So this is how our stand will look like. Okay, now we'll see the coding of the servo motor, which is very easy. We are using NodeMCU here to code our servo motor as in the previous cases. So now we will skip to the code. So open your Arduino IDE, and here is the code for the servo motor. The first is the header file, the second one is the macro, and here is the object of the servo, that is servo my servo. I have made a previous video on servo motor, so you can always go to that video and see how the servo motor works. So I have explained everything in details. Servo.attach attaches the servo to the servo motor, and here is the write command, which will change the angle of the shaft or the handle of servo motor. Similarly, in the void loop, I have changed it to an angle of 150 degree, then I have given a delay of 400 milliseconds. Then again I have changed the handle of the servo motor to 30 degree and given a delay of 400 seconds. I have attached the servo motor pin to D4 here. Okay, now we'll upload this code to our NodeMCU. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel and hit the like button so that we get motivation for making more videos. Now since now the code is getting compiled, it will be uploaded soon. I have seen many hacks of StepSetGo on YouTube where they say to hang your phone to the fan, which is quite risky. But here the thing we are doing, it is 100% safe, secure, and it is working. Moreover, this is a great application which is rewarding you for steps. You should always work out to keep yourself fit and healthy. But if you couldn't achieve your target someday, then you can definitely use this hack to improve your coins and get more coins and get rewarded very easily. Now our code has been uploaded. Make sure you connect the servo motor input output pin to pin D4, otherwise your gadget will not work. So now you can see the servo motor is rotating, and as the phone is also rotating, the steps are increasing. It is 1778 and it is 29, 32, 35. So you can see the steps are continuously increasing. This is a very simple hack. It is also a very secure hack, as there will be no loss to your mobile phone, and you can perform it very easily and get rewarded from StepSetGo. You don't need to keep your application on for this purpose. Now as you can see, the servo motor is not rotating and the step count is 1806. I will turn off the phone and I will switch on my servo motor. So it has started rotating and the steps was 1806 on the first count. I will stop it again. It has just taken a few steps and I will open my application. Now as you can see, the step count has increased to 1818. So it's not necessary that you keep your application on. You can simply switch it off and keep the motor rotating and it will work. I hope you all enjoyed this video. We'll keep making such videos. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon positively. Thank you for the day.